Okay.
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 जानी उन्हें पंडित विशाखा वालिया स्मिता कवि विद्या विदे और
Deep sir, can you hear me? So we cannot hear you. Can you please say hello once?
Deep sir.
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay, sir. I'll stop sharing, Ashok sir, if you're starting now.
No, it's fine. Keep this.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so no one is there in the waiting room. Let us start.
Yes, sir. Actually, people might keep coming.
Yeah.
We can start.
It's appearing on the screen. That's fine. Okay, let us start. Hello, everyone. Myself, Dr. Ashok Mahadik. I'm assistant professor at Lal Lajpat Rai College. I welcome you all to the webinar Quick Calculations Using Vedic Mathematics. This webinar is organized by Department of Accountancy and Department of Mathematics and Statistics, along with the Lal Lajpat Rai College of Law. Okay. Now, Vedic maths. Most of you may be aware of this term, Vedic maths. Many may not be aware, but I know this term very well because my son Prathamesh is doing this course, Vedic mathematics. I have seen improvement in him. Well, they say if you are a Vedic math student, you can solve sums in very quick time. To measure it, we can say that 10 to 15 times faster than any normal guy. Okay. Now, about Vedic maths, I would say that it was discovered by Sri Bharti Krishna Tirthaji. This person had spent his entire life for Vedic maths, and he discovered 16 sutras and 13 upasutras, sub-formulas from the Vedas, primarily the Atharva Vedas. Okay, so without wasting any time, let us start the program. Now, first of all, I will invite the principal of Lal Lajpat Rai College of Law, Dr. Smita Karve, to give a welcome address. Hello, madam. Can you hear us?
Yes. Can you
Yes,
hear
madam.
me?
Yes.
Huh.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Very good evening and warm welcome to one and all from Lal Lajpat Rai College of Law and Commerce and Economics, etc. Today's topic is different, but it is omnipresent. Means applicable to all fields and useful to all irrespective of age, profession, location, etc. It is the Brahmagupta, a scholar and mathematician in AD 628, first time defined zero and its operation and develop a symbol for it, which is a dot. And then Aryabhatta, a great mathematician and an astronomer, used zero in the decimal system. And zero plays an important role in mathematics. So India has given a very valuable gift to number zero to the world. Thank you. Thank you.
Ashok sir, you're on mute.
Thank you, madam. Now, I would like to request Professor Darshan Pagdhare to introduce our today's speaker, Mr. Deep Kapadia. Darshan sir, over to you.
Am I audible?
Very much.
Yes, yes.
Thanks, Dr. Ashok. I feel privileged and honored to introduce today's speaker, Mr. Deep Kapadia. Well, everyone will be excited to know more about him when you will know one thing about him. That special thing is that he is that child who remember his previous lives. Yes, you heard it correct. I am talking about none other than Mr. Deep Kapadia. Professor Deep Kapadia is famously associated with Vedic mathematics. Is born on 21st May 1979. His journey of fame begins from age of 3 when Chitralekha in 1983 covered his rebirth fact. Further research was carried on by him by parapsychologists like Dr. Ramakant Kenny, Dr. Banerjee, and Dr. Ian Stevenson from Virginia University, USA, who later wrote a book on him, Children Who Remember Their Previous Lives. Sir completed his BA in philosophy from D. J. Ruparel College, MA in philosophy and LLB from University of Mumbai. As a professor, he is attached to number of colleges like Padma Shri Dr. D.Y. Patil College, MCT Law College, and he is visiting faculty in number of law colleges in Navi Mumbai and Mumbai, teaching Vedic mathematics in 9 colleges and 5 schools. Conducted 4 teachers training courses and seminars for 200 Rotary and 3 Lions Club. Sir is also reporter for Marathi magazine तुम्ही आम्ही आपण सगळेच, specially represent for Diwali issue for Punjab terrorism. Sir worked in management of Chanakya Mandal and he is also director of ISMT Business School and Vedic College of Science, Orissa. Sir also chairman of Jidnyasu Trust, proprietor of Braingain Academy and its consultancy. Sir consulting almost more than 100 brands in foods, education, traveling, facility management, hygiene solution, etc. Sir has 7 books. Sir has 7 books on his publication and 3 research paper also on his credit. Sir also has a professional membership with Indian Council of Philosophical Research, member of Akhil Bharatiya Darshan Parishad, member of Rotary Club, and sir was also past president for Rotary Club of Airoli Lingtown Club. Sir has very big resume actually. Sir is having also sir awarded various awarded by Mudgal Awards for highest in yoga, best rock climber, outstanding Rotarian in 2003, all season Rotarian 2008, best service for ST and SC in 2009, best service in blind literacy 2010, and Maharashtra Saraswati Shikshak Ratna Parishad 2017. Sir has a special achievement for he made a book for visually impaired children in Braille for speed mathematics based on Vedic mathematics. As well, many new insights are added on Vedic mathematics. Sir is also moderator for Law College and appointed for making new syllabus for pre-law college at Mumbai University. Sir is founder and principal of Internal Speed Mathematics Competitive Course ISMCC and its trust. Sir is certified trainer for mild brain and structure of intelligence. Deep sir, thank you so much for being with us. Over to you, Dr. Ashok.
Thank
Ashok,
you,
sir.
Darshan sir. Yes. Thank you, Darshan sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes. Now I request our speaker, Mr. Deep Kapadia, to start the session. Thank you so much. Deep sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Am I audible to
Yes,
all
sir.
of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can start, sir.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. I can say good evening. Okay. But in fact, what I want to say is good morning to all of you. Good morning, all of you. I know you have been muted very nicely, okay, but still I feel that your voice is reaching to me, okay. So with this, I will like to start, okay. But before I start, I will like to have the blessing from my one of my favorite person, who is my guide, who is my teacher, okay, Karve Madam, okay. Thanks to Lala Lajpat Rai College entire group, okay, to give me this opportunity, and then I will start uh, with sharing. I hope all of you can see the screen.
Yes, sir, we can see it.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. Yes,
thank
sir.
you. Okay, so I welcome you all on behalf of Brainjin Academy, okay, to all the students of Lala Lajpat Rai College, Commerce, Science, and Law. Before we start anything, I always like to start with a prayer by remembering God. This is a Vedic work, so Vedic work always start with an authentication. So I will like 2 minutes of your, okay, to start with a prayer. So I will like all of you to sit straight, join your hand, close your eyes, and focus on your breathe when I'm talking, when I'm saying the prayer. You can breathe in, breathe out, and focus on prayer. यावदायुस्त्रयो वन्द्या वेदान्तो गुरुरीश्वरा आदो ज्ञानप्रसिद्ध्यर्थं कृतज्ञत्वापनुतये ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Welcome everyone once again. If I talk about Vedic mathematics, I have been entangled into the two very dynamic words. One is mathematics and one is Vedic. Okay. I will first of all solve your puzzle. Okay, that what is this Vedic mathematics? And in two line I can say it is a new way from old tradition to solve mathematical problems. I think so. Ashok sir has quite elaboratively said that how it comes from Atharva Veda. I will be again coming on that part also to explain you in detail about the entire historical aspect. But I want to, before I start, I want to understand, okay, how many of you know a simple term mathematics? In short form, it is called maths. Can anyone share me the full form of maths? Because I know I could see 225 or 31 participant here, and still waiting room 3 people, 2 people are been standing. Okay, so I could find out with so many people are there, and definitely many of them are in love with mathematics. When I say about love, you understand what phase I want to make it up to. Okay, so anyone know the full form of maths? Can anyone unmute themselves and tell me the full form of maths? I'm using the word only maths. Can anyone?
Maybe they can just raise their hand. I'll unmute them. They cannot unmute
Yeah.
themselves.
Good idea. You can raise your hand. Again and again, I will make you to raise your hand and raise your thumb. Okay, the two facilities are been given on your board. Can anyone tell me? Yes, I could see raised hand of Suresh Natha. I don't know how many of you are sir or teacher or student. So I will be talking by the first name only. Okay. Yeah. So
I've
Suresh,
sent
what
him
do you
an,
think?
I've sent him a request to unmute. Sir, please unmute yourself.
Yeah. I see Purna Shri also raising the hand, giving me the full form of maths.
Ma'am, please unmute yourself.
Two 70 people. Okay, and I want to hear at least one or two voice who will be telling
Good
me the
evening, sir.
full form of maths. Yeah, Purna Shri. Yeah.
Maths means shortest form for mathematics. Mathematics is nothing but a study of quantity.
No. I want a full form of maths. I know I am talking something very amazing. Anyone else want to try?
So memory, accuracy, talent, hard work, and
Pardon?
I can say
memory, accuracy, talent, hard work, and enthusiasm.
Okay. This maths I will be taking in end of the session. Okay, this formula. You know, maths formula major of the student definition or full form of maths. Okay, is been mentally affected teacher harassing student. Okay, it is mentally affected teacher harassing student. Okay, and why it has been so? Because major of them are having a fear of mathematics, and by today's session you will see that your fear will break. Okay, and Vedic is a ter shlokas what are been coming from Sanskrit from our olden age, and this has made a very beautiful composition. But before I talk about mathematics, those who feel that yes it is an harassing system, okay, for them I want to ask one more question, and for everyone I want to ask one question, and I want you to raise your hand, I want to raise your thumb. Okay, how many of you want to be successful? Simple question. Shruti, 4 participant raised, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh my god, this is going very fast.
Actually,
So many successful people.
sorry,
33, yeah.
sorry to interrupt, sir. Participants can unmute themselves if they want to speak anytime.
No issues. No issues. I know that, but I could see 40 participant, 41. This toll is going very fast. Okay. Yes, I know. Even I, Karve ma'am, principal.
Sir, you are muted. Sir, you are on mute. Please unmute yourself.
Does that
Yes.
make you successful? Then my friend, motivation is not going to make you successful. What is going to make you successful is calculations. Okay, if you are having a right calculations, you will never fail. You will never fail, because if you are doing a business, in business also you are planning that what amount you will gain, then your business will be at a steady level and you will grow in your business. Okay, so all hypothetication is of a mathematics. Okay, maths make you successful. If you say I don't like maths, so I will take a job of a clerk, and you go for a job of a clerk, and there also you see, okay, that maths has been there, because at last you have to take your salary home after all the deductions, and then you should calculate to whom I should give this much, how much to give milkman, how much to give for my monthly purchasing, how much for fees, x y z amount is all a calculation, and then we have a last question, what is the saving? Okay, a very big question has been coming up. Okay, and so mathematics is very essential. I will like to quote, okay, Sri Mahaviracharya. Okay, all of you know, he says that in all the worldly figure, wherever you go, maths is of importance. Okay, you go, it's a science of wealth, it is astrology, astronomy, or you go for simple thing like cooking. Many of them has learned and created an art of cooking in this lockdown. Okay, so even you go for cooking, maths is required. You go for medicine, maths is required. Lot of people after TikTok with Rhapsody or I don't know more some options have came up. From that they have become a poet and dialogue makers. There also mathematics has been there. In particular seconds you have to put it up. Particular minutes you have to complete your dialogue. You have to do everything. Maths is everywhere. You go everywhere, anywhere. Maths has been there. So you should be aligned with mathematics, and that is a main motto where we come into the picture. If I talk about a Vedic sloka, then Veda says Atha Vedanga Shastranam Ganitam Murdani Sthitam. Okay. Yatha Shikha Mayuranam Naganam Manyo Api Tad Vedanga Shastranam Ganitam Murdani Sthitam. Like you see the peacock. On peacock head there is a crest. Okay. There is a illusory stories that snake has a diamond, and that Simon on his hood is looking like a crown. Same way, mathematics is a crown of all the knowledges, and therefore we have to think about mathematics. And when we want to get a success in mathematics, we will follow one success writer basic statement. The success, if you want to be success, one must not do different things, rather one must do the same thing differently. And when I talk about maths, Vedic maths is solving a method, it is a solving way which is different from other, which may bring you a success. Okay, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Neither I can change nor you can change, but the process of reaching 4 can be changed, and that is what we are trying to do with Vedic mathematics. A very simple sum I will start with. Okay, I know many of them are learning also, many of them are expert also. I will start with, you might be having a calculator in your hand because mobiles are there. So I will like you to switch on mobile. Okay, and I will like one participant with me, okay, who can come down. So I could see the topmost name is Preeti Parekh. So can you unmute yourself? Okay, and I could, or anyone can come down. Okay, I want, you have a calculator generally of 8 digits. So I want any 4-digit number. So Preeti ji, can you give
Hello,
me
sir.
a 4-digit number?
4-digit number 6893.
6893, and let us take a biggest 4-digit number 9999. Okay, 6893 multiplied by 9999. Answer is 6892313107. Check it out. 6893 into 9999. Answer is 68923107.
Yes, sir. Surprisingly, how, sir? Teach us this magic.
Yes, definitely. Okay. In Bible, it has been said, "What I can do, thou can do much better." And I want to be in that stage that you can do better than me. And that methods and techniques I will be showing you. Of course, with the time limitation, I will be showing you few only. But yes, this technique definitely I will show you that how we can do this fast mathematics. Okay. I will like to share with you one first small table of 9. Okay, let us start from the school days. Okay, all of you had been to school. All of you had been to school.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
In
sir.
school, you have learned the table of 9.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let us learn the table of 9 again.
Yes, sir.
9 ones are
9,
9 ones are
18,
9 threes are
27,
9 sevens are
36.
63,
9
63,
sevens are
63,
99.
63,
what happens is this is the thing.
9 sevens are 63.
9 sevens are 63. I will be showing you something very different today. Okay, we know one of the method is you can see me on screen.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
So basically what happens is, you know one method, that you write down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. This is a very popular method. Okay, I will be teaching you fourth method. One method we learned in school, second method you know, third method I am not teaching you, I am teaching you fourth method. And this method is making your fingers as a calculator. Okay, all of you have 10 fingers. Any Ritik Roshan in my class?
No.
11 fingers.
No,
he
sir.
has it. Okay, so all of us has a 10 finger. So let us start. Okay, 10 finger. Okay, start from a left hand. Okay, you can see me, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, there is some problem in my laptop. Okay, so I have a 10 finger. Let us start from small finger of left hand. Okay, for me this is the left hand, for you this will be the left hand. So keep your palm facing outside. Okay, so we will be in a common pace. Okay, so I start with 9. I start with the small finger as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My small finger
Yes.
is 1 and this is 10. This is 1
Yes.
and this is 10. So I have 10 fingers. I have named it 10. Okay, now there is no thumb, no finger. It is all number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Suppose I want to do 9 into 5. 9 into 5. Okay, so I close my fifth finger. I close my fifth finger. Okay, how many fingers are open on the left side of the closed finger?
4.
4. And on the right side of the closed finger?
5.
5. 45. 9 5s are 45. Okay. Let us try one more sum so you will understand. Okay, I want to do 9 into 7. So which finger I will close? 7th finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Close my 7th finger. Okay, 7th finger I have closed. Okay, now see this is a closed finger. How many finger open on the left side?
6.
And how many on right side?
3. 3.
6, 3, 63. 9 sevens are 63.
63.
Okay, a very easy way. Okay, all of you can do it now. Now I know all of you are master of 9 table.
Yes.
I don't want you to do it on by paper and pen. Okay, I want you to do it on fingers. So all of you are ready, because without
Sure,
practice
sir.
nothing will work out. All of you are ready?
Sir, I will do.
You will do. No, I will keep a buzzer round. I am keeping a buzzer round. Okay. I am keeping a buzzer round and let's see who is able to do it out. Okay. So all of you are ready? On finger, huh? On finger. 9 into. See, ready? Huh? Buzzer round it is. Who will give me the first answer and show me on finger? Don't write it and show me. Okay. They will get a gift from principal madam. Okay. So 9 into 27.
27. 5, 10,
Okay.
11, 20, 25, 27. That.
243. 243.
5.
No, answer everyone knows, sir. I
6.
want it on finger.
163. 163.
No, 163 is wrong answer. Someone has already given the answer.
243.
143.
I want the answer on finger.
Finger.
Okay. So don't set it out. So shall I show you?
It's 243.
Our concern
Yeah.
is that even if I add the fingers of my leg, still I am not getting 27 finger to close. So what to do? So there is a simple way. Okay, I have 10 fingers. Okay, let us do it. Okay, 27. We write it as 2 and 7. Okay, maths teaches us lot of problems in life. How to solve lot of problems in life.
27.
Okay? If you have a big problem in your life, break it into part. Then it will become easier. So I will break 27 into 2 and 7. 2.
Sir, you got mute. Please unmute yourself.
Yep. Sorry. Okay. So what you will do is when you are doing 9 into 27, okay, you will break the number into two parts, 2 and 7. Okay. So first you will close 7 finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Close your 7th finger. Now 20 is remaining. For that you close your first 2 fingers. Now see how many first fingers are closed. How many first fingers are closed? 2.
2.
Between this closed finger and this closed finger, how many fingers are open?
4.
4. And this side, how many fingers are open?
3.
243. Okay, 243 is an answer. Let us take one more sum so your ideas will be clear. I want to do 9 into 39. Let me take number 39. So how will I close? 39 is 3 and 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Close 9.
351.
So 3 and 9 is close. First, how many fingers are closed? 3.
3.
300. Between this closed finger and this closed
5.
finger, how many fingers are open? 5. And this side, 1. So 351 is my answer. 351 is my answer. A very simple and easy thing. Okay, let us go ahead. Okay, now you are still wondering that how I did that 4893 into 999, right? So I have taken up a small number, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 into 9999, which was similar to the sum which was been given to me by, I think so, by Preeti madam. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 into 9999. Okay, if I want to solve this sum, answer is 1, 2, 3, 3, 8, 7, 6, 6. Before calculator can give an answer, I got the answer. How is it possible? So it is a simple formula, ek nyunam purvena. That is, ek means 1, unam means less, and purvena means from the previous number. Any number when we are multiplying with equal number of 9, this formula is applicable. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 into 9999. So 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 3 is first part of my answer. Subtract first part from 9s. So 9 minus 1. So I will subtract this 1, 2, 3, 3 by 9. So 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 3, 6. So my second part is 8, 7, 6, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 8, 7, 6, 6 is my answer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
It is coming.
Yeah, sorry, there is some problem with my laptop, I think so. I'm trying to figure it out. Okay, let us go ahead. Okay, let us go ahead. Okay, let us go to our next technical problem, which is squaring. Sorry, move this slide. We have already done this. I will go on squaring, okay, which is another task, and I will go on one formula which you may be knowing, okay, which we may be knowing, but still I thought I will again share with you. Okay, this also comes under Vedic mathematics. Okay, we have seen ek nyunam. Okay, so we are seeing another formula. Okay, we are seeing a method of squaring any number with 5 ending. So we are seeing 5 ending number. Suppose I want to square 35. Okay. So in regular method, 35 square, I will find it out by 35 into 35 by multiplying 35 with 5. So 175, 35 with 3. So 105, adding 0 and adding both the numbers 1 to 25. But in a Vedic mathematics, in a magical way, what we will do is we will close down 5. So what remains is 3. Anytime if I am finding any square of 5 ending number, I will close down 5. So whatever number is remaining, I will add 1 to it. Ek adhika. Earlier we have learned 1 less. Now let us see the message of 1 more. So 3 plus 1, it will become 4. Multiply it, 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12. And then square of 5, 25. So 1225 is an answer. Easiest way what we can do it out. Okay. Let us make this out by practice. Okay. I'm giving you few sums. Okay. Get ready. Come on, quickly.
Sir, first one answer 2025, sir.
2025.
2025, right?
7, 6. Sir, 42.
3225.
4255.
32.
42, sir.
4225, right?
1725.
Pardon?
No, sorry,
7225.
7225.
7225.
Sir, 11025, sir.
11025.
7225. 11025.
Yes. But by this method, what more we can do is a very, very important part. So we need to go a step ahead, okay? Because I know many of you might be knowing. I took this method because many of you might be knowing these answers. Your all answers were right. So what I want you to do is this question to this puzzle. I was interested in adding a lot of puzzles and stories, but I have some crisis of time. So this puzzle, this is one line. Without touching this line, okay, I want to make it smaller.
Sir, next to it, draw the big line.
Yes, perfect.
Thank you, sir. This was we knew it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, draw a bigger line. Enhance yourself to do more effective things. Okay, rather than cutting short your creativity. In maths also we can do it out. We learn 5 ending square. From that we learn the special quality of 5 ending square. Wherever it is applicable, we can use that. For example, 35 square means 35 into 35. If you observe this sum neatly, they have some characteristic. That is, unit place sum total is 10. Unit place sum total is 10, and first number is common. First number is common. Okay. So whenever I have a quality of unit place sum total 10 and first place common, I can go with this technique. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So let us take a number 32 into 38. 32 into 38, answer is 1216. If you see, 2 plus 8 is 10 and 3 is a common number. Same characteristic what we were seeing in the 5 ending square. In such case, leave the unit place, increase the tens place by 1. So 3 plus 1 will become 4. 4 3s are 12. That is the first part of my answer. And multiply unit place, that is 2 into 8 is 16. 2 into 8 is 16. Okay. Anyone want to remember this method? Can even take a screenshot. Okay. Another method you can go, another same way we can go with a 3-digit number. I want to do 104 into 106. 4 plus 6 make 10, but leave apart 4 and 6 unit place, then I have a 10 which is common. So I will take 10 as in common, increase it by 1. We have already done this exercise in 105 square. So 10 11s are 110. This is the first part, and and multiplication of the unit place, 6 4s are 24. So 11024. Now take this sum. 198 into 102. 2 plus 8 is 10. But 19 and 10 is not common, and we feel, oh no, just because of one small number, I am missing an easier method. So now what to do? Guess, we can do this sum also with the same method. We can do this sum also with the same method. Okay, here if you see, Here if you see, okay, then 8 plus 2 is 10. Extended 98 plus 02 is 100. 98 plus 02 is 100 and 1 is common. I am going into the power of 10, then also I can do the same sum. So what I will do is I will increase 1 plus 1. So it will make it 2. 2 ones are 2 and 98 into 2 is 196. But since I added up 4 number 9802 to make it 100, my second part should be of 4 digit. So I added 1 0 to it. So my answer is 20196. My answer is 20196.
Got it. Very nice.
Just 1 second.
So one more example.
One more example. Just 1 second.
Yes, sir,
I'm trying
please.
to take up the pen. Just 1 second. I'm not able to access the pen only. One second, just 1 second, I will help you. I don't know why the taskbar is getting locked. I'm not able to access the pen. Yes. Sir, so you wanted me to do one more example. So let me take up an example. 1 9 9 9 into 1 0 0 1. Okay, I think so. I'm clear. My handwriting is bad. I think so. More pathetic on the laptop. Okay. Here, if you see, okay, 999 and 001. When I sum it up, it become a power of 10. That is 1000. Okay, and 1 is common. When this is coming, then also I can do it out. I can increase this by 1. So this 1 will become 2. 2 ones are 2, and
So your slide is not visible. Your slide is not visible.
Slide is not
It's
visible.
Preeti.
It is visible.
It is visible, sir.
It's visible, Preeti.
See, I will tell you the basic simple logic. If my voice is not audible, switch off your mic and switch on. Okay, if my slide is not visible, switch on your camera, switch off. Okay, these are the ways you can do it out, or you have to go out and you have to come back. These are the ways which you can join in. Now 1 plus 1 is 2, so 2 ones are 2, and 999 into 001 will give me the answer as 999. But there are 6 number which I added up, so I added 3 zeros also to make this number as in 6 digits. So I made my second part as in 6 digit. First part was 2, 2 ones are 2. Second part 999 into 1 was 999. I added 3 zeros. I think so your ideas are clear.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
I want to
Thank you, sir.
extend this concept. What happens is that generally why I took this easy methods and I'm going ahead is, okay, there are a lot of things we need to understand. We need to go by concept and we can do more. My friends, when I take a regular course, I do not go by just giving the formulas like I'm giving right now. I make the student to find out the formulas, and that are a lot of 5th standard students, 4th standard students are also writing me, sir, this is a formula, try this, sir, this is a formula. There are a lot of bundles of formulas also. Maybe some people have already been given it out, but yes, the trial is more important. It gives a research aptitude, which I'm working more on. So here I bring out a sum 25 into 26. If I want to do it, then it is very easy. We think it up that agar it was 25 into 25, it was very easy. But here, this also you can do it very easily, because I know 25 into 26 means I have 25 26 times. So I do the square of 25, which is 625, and I increase it 1 time 25 more. So my answer is 650. Okay, it is very easy. You can extend any of the concept to any level, and this is what Vedic maths said. Okay, lot of maths. Can I tell a story outside something all? Okay, just to take up a small break. Okay, all of you agree? All of you like story?
Hello, sir.
Yes, 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 definitely.
All of you like story? So let me share one story with you. This story is of Raja Bhartruhari. Okay, many of you might have heard the name. A very, very scholar person, a very good king, like a very popular king of ancient India, and it's a true story what I'm telling you, my friend. Okay, Raja Bhartruhari was a very nice and very, very good king. People were so happy. One time, one sage came to his court, and he took Raja Bhartruhari's test. He stayed with Raja Bhartruhari for 7 days, and he was so happy to see his philosophical knowledge, his family relationship, his relationship with what you can say citizens, his relationship with the courtiers, and he was very happy. And out of that happiness and love, he gave one apple to Raja Bhartruhari, and he said, "You eat this apple, you will become Chiranjeev. You will become Chiranjeev. Chiranjeev means you will always remain young." Girls here will be thinking, "Gosh, I could have got that apple." Okay, I will, and I will tell you, okay, where that apple is. Okay, so that apple was given to Raja Bhartruhari. Raja Bhartruhari took the apple and he thought, "I will eat this apple. I will always remain young. I will always be alive." Okay, what is the use of this long, long life? I should give this apple, okay, to my beloved queen. She will be happy to eat this apple. She will always remain beautiful, and I will also be pleased to see my wife to be beautiful. He gives this apple to the wife, okay, to the queen, and queen thinks, if I will eat this apple, I will always remain young, I will always remain beautiful, but king will become old, and then we will go out, then people will say, "Oh, what a pair, old king and young queen." Okay, I don't want to be that part. So this apple is not meant for me. So she had, okay, a lot of affection for one of the what you can say, a senapati. So he gave that apple to a senapati. Okay, a captain. He take this apple and he thinks, if I will eat this apple, I will remain young, I will protect all, I will use my strategy, everything is good. Okay, I will be good enough. But okay, people will say that I have played some treachery with king. So this apple is not for my use. He also thinks like king and give that apple to his wife that she will remain beautiful. but his wife also think that it will be a mismatch if I will become young and my husband will become old. So she had lot of affection for one of the soldier. So she gave that apple to one of the soldier. Now soldier thinks, okay, that I am already being into so much of poverty. I will eat this apple. Okay, I will keep on serving for the king. King will never give me promotion. What is the use of it? Better this apple should not be eaten, and I will give this apple to my beloved girlfriend. Okay, who was a maid into the court, king's palace. Okay, let me give it to her. She lives on a daily wages. If one day also if she will be feeling sick, she will be falling sick, then she will not be able to earn. So she will be happy to have this apple that throughout the life she can cherish. She takes that apple and think, okay, if I will eat this apple, I am already below poverty line. Okay, so I will be creating more agony for myself. It is like telling, "Ah, bell, mujhe maar." Okay, why should I eat this apple? This apple is not meant for me. But she had lot of crush for the king. Okay, and king was a very good person. So she thinks such king should survive. So she goes and give this apple to the king and said, "King, you eat this apple, you will live for a year long, and lot of people will be benefited from this apple." You know what happened? Okay, apple started from the king, rotated and came back to the king. As soon as he saw the apple, okay, he got very frustrated. Okay, he learned the entire story how apple has been traveling. Okay, and because of this reason, okay, I don't know where this apple is now. I don't know what happened, but I know what happened with the king Bhartrihari. Okay, Bhartrihari left the kingdom. Bhartrihari left the kingdom and he took a sannyas and he did two great work. Okay, one, he has written a treaty on Sanskrit. Okay, after Panini at third rank, if Sanskrit any grammar treatise has been seen, then it is by Raja Bhartrihari, and he had written Niti Shatakam, 100 rules of ethic what every human being should follow into the life. Yeah. Anything you want to share? Can I continue? So,
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Sir, if once again tell with the fingers calculation, sir, please.
Pardon?
Sir, can in starting you tell calculation with fingers, you know, sir? Sir, can you tell once again?
Can we do it in end instead of being putting up into the middle of the session?
Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Question answer.
Okay,
that time you can ask me again.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. So I don't know what happened with the king, but if I will consider an apple, so again if king would have passed the apple, it would rotate and come to it. Instead of that apple, if that number was been there, okay, then to that number we called recurring number. We called recurring number. Okay, all of you know what is a recurring number. Okay, we will be learning a process of recurring number, 1-2 digit recurring number, say 1 by 9 and all. It is very easy to do. Let us think about 8 by 19. My friends, 8 by 19 answer is of 18 decimal recurring. Okay, how much time you will take to create find out 18 decimals? How much time for 18 decimals? At least 4 to 5 minutes. And that also you should know the table of 19. And I know out of 272 people coming here, okay, I think so hardly 20 or 30 people will be remembering table of 19. Let us be true to ourselves. Okay. So, friends, there is one very, very easy method. You can find the answer on 28 decimal also in 1 minute. Okay. And that is a method I will be showing. It's called a multiplication method, one more than previous. What I will do is I will increase the numerator by 1 and make it 0 ending. Okay, I will increase the numerator by 1 and make it 0 ending. Okay, I will cancel the 0 and I will put 0 point. Okay, this is a formality. Okay, what we are doing. Okay, and whatever is my numerator, I will put it in end. So what is my numerator? I have an 8 as a numerator. I write it into the end of the answer. Okay. And then I start multiplying remaining denominator with numerator. So 2 8s are 16. So I will write 6 and 1 carry over. Okay. 2 6s are 12 plus carried over 1. Okay, is 13. So 2 13. So 3 and 1 carry over. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 2 7s are 14. 4 and 1 carry over. Multiply each time with 2 only because 2 is your denominator. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. 2 9s are 18. 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 2 5s are 10. 2 zeros are 0 plus 1 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. I started with 8. I came back to 8. I will not write this 8. And to mark it as a recurring, I will put a dot on first and last number. Okay. Very, very easier technique. Within 2 minutes, you have learned entire technique. What you have to do is you have to make denominator 0 ending. Write the numerator in end. Okay. Cut the 0 of numerator and whatever is the remaining numerator, start multiplying with the denominator numerator. Okay, 2 8s are 16. 2-digit number when you come, write the unit place and carry over the tens place and keep on multiplying till you get your numerator back. But you will not write that numerator, you will stop there before numerator. Okay, so a fantastic work. Okay, what Vedic Maths has taught us. Now I go to the most complicated question of cube roots. Before I go on a cube root, again I want a participation. Okay, again a miracle I will show and then I will go ahead. Okay, I want a participation. I could see this time. Okay, Dr. Arunachalam. So I can take your help. Or I could see Archana Madam. Archana Madam, can you give me a help? Okay, I want you to take a calculator and calculate any 2-digit cube. So you can do is 12 into 12 into 12. Whatever the answer is there, 1728, you can give me that answer. I will tell you what is a cube root. Take any 2-digit number, multiply it 3 times and give me the answer. I will tell you from which cube you have brought it.
Sir, I did 12 cubes, sir.
Pardon?
728, sir.
Sir, don't give me simple things. 728 is not there. It should be 729. 9's cube. I am telling take 2-digit number at least. So thoda 6-digit ka answer ho. Okay, take a perfect cube. We will go today for perfect cube, not for imperfect cube.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, 274625, sir.
274625.
Yes, sir.
274625. 85 square. 85 cube.
No, sir.
Sorry.
No, sir.
274625. 27
Yes, sir.
4625. Oh, sorry. 35 cube.
No, sir.
How is it possible? Now,
65,
just
sir.
type 1 second. 1 second.
Okay.
You are saying 274625. 25.
Yes, sir.
So, right. You are right. Okay, it is
Yes,
65 square.
Yes, sir. 65 cube.
65 cube.
Yes, sir.
Am I right? This
Yes,
time
sir.
I cannot be wrong. Hello.
Sir, 11 390 625.
11
390
9 0 625.
625.
3-digit number, madam.
Yes, sir.
Don't do 3-digit. Let us do it 2-digit
Okay,
so I could show you the
Okay.
answer.
Okay.
Okay, we can do for this also. Okay, But let us take right now a sum which is of 2 digit. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yep.
I can tell more than one number, sir.
Sir?
Yeah, please, please. One
Sir,
second.
941192.
One last number. Baki, I will like to take up privilege. I will give you the question and you will answer me. And you will answer me so fast as I am doing it out. 1 second. Tell me the question.
Sir,
941192.
One person. Yeah, Chandrasekhar sir, बोल दीजिए.
Sir, 63.
63.
60.
60, right?
Yes, sir. 56.
56.
Yes, sir.
63. Okay. 86.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
86.
Correct, sir. Yes, sir.
Madam, you were giving me some question. Madam, you were giving some question.
941192.
941.
192.
192 is 98.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Thank you. Okay. Now, what I did, you want to do it? My question is next. You want to do it so fast like I was doing it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay, so
sir.
let's check it out. Okay. So I'm taking it. This is a simple inspection. It is an observation. By observation, you can do this sum. Okay. A simple inspection. Okay. I will go a little bit of fast because I think so time is running off. Okay. So I have taken up a chart where it is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And below that there is squares and below that there is a cube. All of you can see this chart visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, can you find any peculiarity? I will not take time. I will be sharing with you. Otherwise, I would have asked to find out the peculiarity. Okay. So in square, there is a peculiarity that numbers are repeating. 1, 1 is repeated. 4, 4 is repeated. 9, 9 is repeated. 6, 6 is repeated. But in cubing, if you see, unit place number is not repeated. And it is very easy to remember. Okay. Square cube of 1. Cube of 1, 5, 1, 4, 5, 6, and 9 end in itself. And a cube of 1 unit place will be 1, 4 unit place is 4, 5 is 5, 6 is 6, and 9 is 9. And 10, that is definitely 0 is 0. Okay. While 2, 3, and 7, 8 are complementary to each other. 2's cube roots unit, 2's cube unit is 8. While 8's cube unit place is 2, 3's unit place is 7, and 7's unit place is 3. Okay. I will also request you to remember the cube of 1 to 9. 1 to 9. So my every answer will become very easy. Now let us say I want to find the cube of 4, 6, 6, 5, 6. 4, 6, 6, 5, 6. So first I will see the unit place. What is the unit place? Unit place is 6. Which cube is ending with 6? I will go back again. So it is 216. You can see 216 is ending with 6, and it is a cube root of 6. So I will write here 6. So it will be 6. Okay, unit place answer will be 6. Now leave 3 number from end. So what is remaining? 46. What is remaining? 46. What is a cube lesser than 46? Okay, cube of 3 is 27. Cube of 4 is 64. I think so 3 remains. Okay. So 46, a cube which is lesser than 46 is 27 and its root is 3. Okay. So 36 is an answer. Okay. I again repeat. See the unit place 6 and keep this 6 as it is. Okay. Find out which is the number ending with 6 and keep it as it is. Leave 3 number from end. Leaving 3 number whatever is remaining. Okay. Find a cube which is lesser or equal to that. Once you get lesser or equal number, you find out its cube root and you can answer it. So basic your task is to remember cube from 1 to 9 or 1 to 10, which is very easy. You want to go for 3 digit also, it is very easy. But today's session, I do not want to take it up, so I have avoided that part. Okay, otherwise question do pumped up. Okay, so after doing this, okay, observation like an eagle, I am very sure you asked me a lot of questions, so I could also ask you a lot of questions. All of you are ready to answer? Four sums in front of you. What
Sir,
is the
82
first
is
answer?
answer, sir. 82, sir.
No. Okay.
92, sir.
92. 92 is the right answer.
Yes, sir.
92
Sir,
is the
next one, 36,
answer.
sir. 36,
Right?
sir.
Sorry, 1 second. The next answer is
36.
76.
Sir, 36, sir.
Yeah, 76. Third answer.
25.
Pardon?
35.
35, sir.
35.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Check again. See, last number is 5. Leave 3
yes, sir,
numbers,
yes,
so
sir.
274 is there.
65.
It is a cube lesser than 274. Leave 3 number from end. Don't catch first 2 number. Leave 3 number from end. 274 remains.
65, sir.
Yes.
65.
65.
65.
And last
81, sir.
perfect. Okay.
81.
See how quickly we learned a lot of things in a very small span of time. Okay. Now I want to say that you want to appear for any competitive exam, and then what? Then I have a sum from a competitive exam which has been asked often, and again this is a skill of observation. 0.89 into 0.89 into 0.89 minus 0.64 into 0.64 into 0.64 upon 0.89 into 0.89 plus 0.89 plus into 0.64 plus 0.64 into 0.64. Just I will like to make a small alteration. Right? Answer also came back. Sorry. This is a wrong sum. It is only till this much. Bracket ends here. Okay. Sorry, answer also came up. I would have asked you this question. Okay. This is such a big sum, and you get hardly 30 seconds to answer this sum. How to answer this sum? Okay. And there are 4 options been given. Right answer is 0.25. Okay. How to answer it out? If this option has been given, how we will be working out? I asked to one very senior person who has been teaching for entrance exams from say 12 to 15 years, that if this type of sum come, what is a way to find out the answer? And he showed me very simple trick, very simple trick. There are 4 options. Okay, so out of 4 options, you want to get the right answer, to do only one thing. Akkad bakkad bombay bo 80 90 pure 100. Okay, don't waste your time in one sum. And if this answer goes wrong, okay, and there is a negative marking, then think of that. Okay, and there is so easy way, okay, which Vedic maths help us to understand by observation. Observation is a very essential skill, what Vedic maths also talk about. Okay, you will laugh when you will see this technique. Okay, there can be no other powerful thing than the brain of man. So let's use that date, use this brain, let's apply it, okay, and see the miracle. Okay, I want you to find out, remember and forgotten formula: a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus b square, ab plus b square. So if you see, okay, upper part is 0.89 into 0.89 into 0.89 is something like a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube, and knowing and the denominator is a square plus ab plus b square. If I will cancel everything, then a minus b remain. That is 0.89 minus 0.64, which is very easy to do as 0.25. Very simple answers. So we have to just substitute a minus b, and we get the answer 0.25. It's so simple thing, but we go in akkad bakkad bombay bo, and that become a very difficult thing. Ashok sir, I'm thankful to you. You reduced my work very much by giving an introduction to Vedic mathematics. Okay, with your assistance and your statement in starting, I will be again going through a visual chart what Vedic maths, how Vedic maths came up. Okay, so here what happens is, okay, Vedic maths was discovered by Jagadguru Shankaracharya Swami Bharati Krishna Tirth Ji, a very learned scholar. Okay. 1884, a splendid soul took a birth, and his name was been kept as a Venkatraman. Okay, this Venkatraman in 1905 discovered some abundant shlok of Atharva Veda. These sloks were not translated, and therefore they were kept aside. Friends, I would like to share with you right now. My prayer also did, so it was saying about Trayo Veda. Traditional people believe in 3 Vedas, they do not believe in 4 Vedas. Rig Veda, Yajur Veda and Sam Veda are originally the Vedas which were been discovered, and long time back Atharva Veda has been discovered. Even if you talk about Bhagavad Gita, then Bhagavad Gita also, when they talk about Atharva Veda or any other old dictionaries when talk about Atharva Veda, they say what is not there in Trayo Veda is there in Atharva Veda. So whatever the remaining excerpts are there, they will be codified and put up into Atharva Veda. But Atharva Veda is very practical and having lot of values. And these shlokas were not been translated. Sri Jagadguru Shankaracharya was pondering upon it that why these are not been translated, what has been there. But he was a very scholar. He at the age of 20 completed the graduation with 6 subjects. I'm not saying subject like bookkeeping and all. I'm talking subject like he passed with economics, philosophy, Sanskrit, mathematics, science. This kind of subject he has been passed with. Okay. In India, it is not allowed. I am trying a lot that it should get it permitted. We should get a bridge courses allowed, so we can do graduation at multiple time. In one time, multiple graduations we can do, but it has not been allowed. Okay, but in foreign it has been allowed. After research and lot of contemplation, he found some link with mathematics. He found in ancient India there were some mathematics which are need to be reinterpreted. He derived some derivational meaning of this slokas, okay, and keeping in mind ancient mathematical system of Richa Ganita, that is mathematics in Rigved, okay, Yajush Ganita, which is a calculation of astrology, okay, Sapatya Ganita, which is an I could say architectural calculations of ancient India, Sulva Sutra, ritual calculations, okay, and some ancient or medieval mathematician like Bhaskaracharya, Aryabhatta, Brahma Bhatta, and so. Okay, there are a lot of such mathematicians. Okay, and splitted the slok into 16 sutras plus 13 sub-sutras. Okay, sutra means he has made it like a formula. There are total 19 formulas, 16 main and 13. And with combination, we have been doing it into multiple things. It's not a 19 formula, but it is giving a 100 of mathematical problem solutions. Okay. So that is how Vedic mathematics came into existence. This was a glimpse of Vedic mathematics. But do you want to know, was there any mathematics at all in ancient India? Can I talk about the mathematics? Okay, we know zero was given by India, but anything else? And my friend, there are a lot of things. I could see some raised hand and I could see some chats also. Give me 5 minutes. I will be completing it and I will be answering all your questions. Okay, so I will complete it uninterrupted. Okay, so highest number was also been defined by India, ancient India. Valmiki had given highest number Mahabhoga, that is 10 raised to 60, and Kachayana talk of Asankhya, that is 10 raised to 140. Sulva Sutra, right now I was been talking about. Okay, it is a mathematics of rituals, how the Havans are to be done, how the Havan Kunds are being prepared. Today's Havan and Yagna we see, so there is always square Vedis. Vedi yane wo Havan Kund. Okay, Havan Kunds are called Vedi. In English word is altar. So there are only square altars, but ancient India says, or the scripture says, there are different time, different Vedis been there. Today is Amavasya, so there will be, yesterday was Amavasya, so there will be trapezium shape. Okay, otherwise Poonam will be there, then semicircle will be there. And how these Vedis are being constructed, from what length people should sit in, all this calculation are being given in Sulva Sutra, and it is defining so much that they have used certain word which all of you can connect it. They use the word Tanjaya, Kotanjaya. Can you tell me where it connect to? Tanjaya, Kotanjaya. Can you resemble some word?
Tangents and cotangents.
Yes, tangent, cotangent. Believe me, they are using the word Jai. English is using the word ENT, that is tangent. They were using Tanjaya, but meaning and applications are same. Okay. Someday with this Vedic maths, you also invite me to talk about one of my favorite mathematician, Bhaskaracharya, and his book called Lilavati. I called him a social mathematician because he has done a social revolution. He was 200 years before Pythagoras, and in that time he was able to write and give a book, okay, on the name of a girl. Okay, we are saying in ancient India girls were not being taught, but see this example. He is teaching girl mathematics, which is an highest order of knowledge. Okay, he is teaching Lilavati in such a amusing manner. I cannot reveal. He takes the Lilavati to the kitchen and he gives the sums into the kitchen on base of pickles. Okay, he takes into the jungle and in jungle he starts it up. Okay, they are sitting in a hall, there he starts. From a history he picks up the example and there he starts. Okay, very, very astonishing thing is even he talks about the examples from the bedrooms. Okay, so think about everywhere he is teaching Lilavati and mathematics. You cannot imagine where it goes up to. So I called him a social mathematician, a very, very strong mathematician, and no one has built up the easier techniques like what he has been talking about. One day he was going with Lilavati into the forest of MP, okay, near Indore, and there was a tree on which two monkeys were sitting, and near that tree there was a koop. Koop means well, okay, kua. Okay, so he says that if both the monkeys are thirsty, one will come down and go to the well, another will directly jump to the well. Who will travel more? This is, my friend, Pythagorean theorem. We know it. He gave the height of tree, he gave the distance between tree and well, and he asked Lilavati to calculate. Hey, Bale Lilavati, if you are smart enough, tell me how it has been calculated. Okay, so that is what is Pythagoras. That is what is Bhaskaracharya. So practical example he gives. And later on in his another book, Goladhyay, he says monkey never jumps straight. Monkey's jump is curve. So he talks about hyperbola. Okay, he talks about hyperbola in that age. Okay, a very, very fantastic thing. What I will like to share sometime if all of you have time. Okay. Last point which I will like to cover in the historical part is about Al-Khwarazmi. Al-Khwarazmi was a traveler. He traveled across the world, and when he came to India, he learned Brahmaspota Siddhanta. Karve madam was been talking about Brahmagupta. He has written Brahmaspota Siddhanta, simplifying Aryabhatta's mathematical calculation. He read that, he liked that, he went back, and by Khalifa's order, he translated it into Arabic and gave the title of the book Hisabe al-Jabar Mawal Muqbala. Hisabe means account of, not account means commercial account. I know all of them are commerce students. Account means what he has learned, that account. Okay. Al is an the, Al means the, Mawal Muqbala means new way of facing, and Jabar means equation. So he wanted to write new way of facing the equation. That was his book title. English people liked this book. They translated it into English. They didn't wanted to use such a huge name. So they started using the name Al-Jabar. And today we know this word has been mispronounced and used as an algebra. Okay, see, this is an history. It has been mentioned at many places. You can find it out. Okay, and many things are been there. Friends, with this, I will like to put up some small importance of Vedic maths. Okay, it is a very, very speediest way. Okay, it can solve algebra, trigonometry, calculus, everything. Mostly everything can be done mentally. For something we may need to write by paper and pen, but we can get an answer mostly in 2 or 3 lines, not more than that. It also contribute to personality because it allows you to use your right and left brain. Okay, it is helpful for higher order and fastest software for all kind of competitive exam, and it is doing a fantastic job. Before I end up, okay, I want to share with you one anecdote, okay, and end up, okay. So can I tell one anecdote or one story? Okay. Today modern world has came in India also. Every person has a laptop and every person is using laptop to study. Even nurseries teachers are teaching on a laptop. Okay. There was a school in America which was been designed where every student has a laptop, and any answer is been asked in mathematics also. Student will jump on a laptop, put up an answer, and now people are raising their hand to give the answer. That way they were raising their hand to give their printout, that my printout first, my printout first. Like I could see 3 participants raising their hand. Okay. So same way they were been saying my printout first, my printout first. So in such case, okay, one time teacher came in to the class of a primary and gave student, give me the answer of 2 plus 2. Student jump on the laptop, type the answer, okay, and remove the printout, and one boy promptly said, oh, my answer is ready. Teacher took his answer sheet and saw in his answer sheet it was printed 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. And teacher got annoyed. Teacher got annoyed. What are you doing? You cannot understand such a small answer. 2 plus 2 cannot be equal to 5. See my right answer. My answer is right. 2 plus 2 is equal to 3. Now you will say 2 plus 2 is equal to 5 is wrong. 2 plus 2 is equal to 3 is also wrong. So when computer goes wrong, okay, 2 answer can go wrong. Okay, so that we should always remember that we have devised the computer, not computer. So we should not rely on the mechanism, but we should always rely upon ourselves. So does not mean that human should forget its existence. And when one generates the existence, then one does require things like Vedic mathematics. With this, I will share whatever was in given time. I have emptied everything possible in this moment. Now it is you who can apply and go ahead with all your thing. I give baton back, okay, to Ashok sir. I was thinking, Ashok sir, you are leading today's camp, today's program, okay. And anyone
Yes, sir.
want anyone to ask any question, so they can go
Yes,
ahead.
sir. I will take up question answers.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. It was a wonderful session, sir. So many participants, were talking to you. Interaction was high. So now I request our Professor Nimesh Munjani, sir, to take up the question answer session. But before that, I will instruct everyone to go to the chat box to see whether the feedback form is there. If it is there, please update it, fill it quickly. Thank you. Over to you, Nimesh sir. Nimesh sir, can you hear me?
Good evening, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So before I start the question answer session, I have posted the feedback link in the chat box. So I'll just like to tell everyone the link will be open for 30 minutes. So all the participants can fill up the feedback form, and the certificates will be given within 10 working days once the feedback form is submitted. Now, related to the question answer session, there were many questions which were asked predefined. That is when the forms were filled. But out of that, there were some questions which were repeated or some questions which were very simple. So I have shortlisted some of them, and I will like to ask sir about the questions. Sir, first question is, what is the scope and technique for Vedic mathematics?
What is?
The scope and techniques for Vedic mathematics.
I didn't got your word.
What is the scope for Vedic mathematics? Scope
for Vedic mathematics. So there is an immense scope. I have been teaching since 1998. Okay, and I will say first scope is there in the teaching itself. Second scope is any entrance exam you say. Okay, you go for UPSC, MPSC, any exams of banking, NDA, or you go for nowadays any common entrance exam. even law entrance exams. Okay, our law college is there, so they are also been aware. In law entrance exam also there are math sum, and this mathematics technique is very much useful to them. Okay, also a lot of people have experimented it, and in making the lock security systems of computers, they have been using this code, and Vedic mathematics codes they have been making it up, and it has been discovered that these codes are much comfortable because it is not easy to crack. It is not easy to crack. So this codes will be very useful. So scope is very wide.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So second question is, what is the connection of mathematics to shlokas?
What is the connection of mathematics to the shloka? See, like I started with first sum of 999. I said it is not shloka, it has been converted to sutra. Okay, sutra I will say just now as in formula. Okay, so if formula is been talking about, okay, is been saying ek nyunam purvena. So this is decodifying as an ek means one, nyunam means unam means less, and purvena. So these formulas are basically helping us to do particular ways of calculations. Okay, so it is directly connected to the maths. Okay, am I clear with this explanation?
Hope so, sir. The person who has asked would have got the answer. So shall I move to the next one?
Yeah, please.
Sir, there is one question where it says, can we apply Vedic maths to different fields of mathematics like calculus, linear algebra, differential equation?
Yes, it is already been applied. I will just, it is already been applied. And in my third slide only, I have said it is from maths starting from addition, subtraction to calculus has been there. Also, they are been working on lot of theorems also. Okay, so many places it has been applied. Okay. We can do the research, or we can do, I can share some other articles or something with you. Okay.
Sure.
And you can share it with the entire people who are been interested in.
Sir, the next question is, can you say some references for Vedic maths?
There is
Some
only
books.
one. There is only one book of Jagadguru Swami Shavarti Krishna Tirath by Motilal Banarasi Das publication, which is
Sir,
an
if you-
ultimate book you can go for Vedic maths.
Sir, if you don't mind, can you just type it on your laptop screen so that everyone can see that, or they can take the screenshot?
Yeah, sure.
Sir, you can put it in the chat box if you want. You'll have to share your screen again otherwise.
No, I'm checking out why whiteboard is not coming.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. 1 second. The whiteboard is not coming. I cannot see whiteboard. Okay, I will put it into the chat. Sir. Tell me. Good evening.
It has been a very nice session. Though I belong to the English department, I am mad after learning mathematics. I give a warm salute to you. But one silly question is, why there is no lady mathematician till now? All is dominated by males only. Whether it is Bhaskaracharya or anybody, why it is so?
Sir, very soon there is a movie coming, okay, on a great mathematician called Shakuntala Devi. She was a lady. I talked about Leelavati. She was a lady. Okay, and there are many.
That was Bhaskaracharya's introduction, my dear. Leelavati's problem was purely Bhaskaracharya's.
Yes, but it has been there. Leelavati has also been a girl who has been doing mathematics.
No theorem or any formulas or given by ladies.
Yes,
whereas in all other fields they have been dominated.
No. Just if you give me 2 minutes, okay, I will give you the answer of your question. Okay, I have made a list of 69 Indian mathematicians In that there are many ladies. I will give you the name also. Okay, if the time permits. Okay.
Deep sir. Hello, Deep sir.
Yeah, just 1 second. I have
Sir, one
typed the
request.
name of the book into the chat box.
Sir,
Nimit sir, before
regarding
you
that,
ask a question, can
sir,
we
sir, it
take
is
a hold of a minute? I will take my book and I will reply to sir's answer.
sir, just a second. Sir, regarding that name of the book, I was about to tell. Sir, if you put the name in the chat box, no. So the practical difficulties, many are putting the other questions or other messages. So that name will go very fast. So if you can share it on the screen, it will be better for everyone.
I'm seeing on the screen, but I'm not getting where is a whiteboard. I don't know why.
You can take a screenshot of the chat also.
That's correct, but
Wait
everyone
1
is
second.
asking
I
for
will do
the
one thing.
feedback and
I will
other
do
things.
one thing. Okay, okay.
It will go
I will solve
very
your
quickly.
problem. Okay, book name is. Book name is Vedic Mathematics. Sorry for handwriting. By Jagat Guru Shankaracharya Bharati Krishna Tirath.
Sir, are you going to share the recording of this session in the WhatsApp group?
I will.
Yes, please. Yes,
Yes,
please.
sir. Please share this
I will
recorded
put it
video
up
in
on the
WhatsApp, sir.
YouTube.
Yes, sir. So can you link the channel to me so we can?
I don't know about that, but
So what should we search on in the YouTube search bar so we can get the video?
in case if the link